Welcome to the Commission of the Organization of Eastern Caribbean States.
Located in Castries, St. Lucia, the OECS Commission is led by a Director General and one Commissioner from each OECS member country.
As the guardian of the revised Treaty of Bastille, the Commission serves as the executive organ of the organization.
The Commission is actively leading the execution of several projects and initiatives
to advance, support, and accelerate regional trade, economic, and social integration.
To mainstream climate, economic, environmental, and social resilience.
And to promote equity and social inclusion.
We delivered free movement and indefinite stay for all citizens across OECS Protocol member states.
We continue to deliver safe and cost-effective medicines.
We deliver training, technical support, goods, and financing for advancements in education, agriculture, health, local business development, trade, social development, and environmental sustainability.
The OECS Commission continues to create opportunities and partnerships to deliver results.
Because we care about our region and our people.